Yes, it is another exciting moment for me to tell you about our new product we have released on our agent account, which is Super 6, whereby a customer has opportunity of betting and winning as big as possible. For example, we have 1 to 48 balls, and among them 35 numbers or balls will be drawn or dropped at every single round. For example, a customer can decide to bet on 6 straight colours and then placing bet on it, believing that the entire balls will come. And then if you see at the last stage, you see if you bet 100 naira you will win 1,000, I mean 1 million naira. Then in line with this, the minimum you can win is 100 naira. Why? Because for every 35 balls there are odds as attached to it, which the last odd attached to it is one odd, and if the last ball among the 6 drops on that one odd, the customer will win 100 naira. So therefore you must always pray that the last ball drops on a bigger odd. Then another chance is that we have a customer can select any four numbers where he will be able to predict that out of dis 4 number any of dem can come first. The same thing goes to the last stage. Out of any 4 number, any of them should come last. The same thing, another one goes to this first or last number. It means that out of the 4 numbers selected, any of them should either be first or should either be last, which is more or less like a double chance method. While a undrawn number means if you select 4 for example and you place bet, the odd is 2.40, it means that 4 will not come. Now if a customer selects double number, it means that any of them should not come, not the two. Any of them should not come, and in that case if you place bet, the odd reduces to one odd because you are having a double chance method here. Then the first ball colour means you are predicting that only red will be the first ball to come, and you are in this second last ball colour means it is yellow that will be the last to come. Then we have who 6 and then we have odd 6. Who 6 means that in the last 50 draws there have been numbers that have not been really been frequent like that. They are not really been coming. So if you click on who 6, the system generates 6 different numbers for you. It means that in the next draw, this 6 number must appear. This number that doesn't come regularly must appear in the 35 numbers to draw. The same thing goes to odd 6. It means that these numbers must come in the next draw, but odd 6 means these numbers are the ones that have always been coming regularly from the last 50 drawn. We move to over and under 122.5. When you talk about this, there are first 5 balls that will be drawn. If we add them together, over means summation of these 5 balls must be more than 122.5, and under means they must be below 122.5 by the time you add the first 5 balls together. Then we talk about over and under first ball. The first ball that we drop must be below 1 to 24. It must not be more than 24, which is the under first ball. While the over first ball means it must be from 25 and above. The first ball that we drop must be 25 and above. The same thing goes to last ball over. Last ball over means the last ball that we drop must be 25 and above, while last ball under means it must be between 1 to 24 that must drop. What about first ball even number? You can bet that the first ball that will drop is even, the one that first drop is odd, the last ball that will drop is either odd or is either even. You can as well bet on even or odd number that will be more than each other. Which one will be more? In this case, if you select even, you are expecting more even number than the odd number. In that category, it must be either be 18 even numbers and above. Then in the other end, you have opportunity of selecting random number. You can select 8 random number and you place bet on it. The odd is 5,714. That is, the minimum you can win is 3 naira, the maximum is 57,000 and above if all things being equal. This is just like a permutation, it's a system bet method. The system has categorically grouped all of these things in various levels. If you select 10 random number and you place bet, the odd reduces because the higher the number selected on the random, the lower the odd, but the higher the combined game, the higher amount you are going to win. So therefore, you put a very big amount of money in this scenario. Now on a quick form, you need to understand that there are two major jackpot to this effect. Number one, we have double jackpot, whereby at a particular game event being stake or being a particular round, as many people that will be winning in that round, there is a amount of money that the system has hidden somewhere and which you will distribute to each person that win in that category regardless of the number, and this means that whatever they win we multiply by 2. On the other end, we have 2 flowers on each drums. The first flower simply means that if you select numbers and any of your number fall in the first flower, your winning will be multiplied by 2. If you are supposed to win 15 and one of your number falls in the first flower, your winning will be multiplied by 2, that is 3,000 naira. If the second flower means that if any of your 6 numbers or numbers selected falls on the 2 flower, your winnings will multiply by 3. For example, the 15 becomes 4,005 because your numbers selected are actually in the 2 flowers. Thank you guys for standing by us. We'll keep communicating to you. Have a wonderful day ahead.